What's up, everyone, and welcome. In this episode, we're going to talk about wearable tech. 60 million wearable tech records, including sensitive data, were exposed online.
Oh, drat these computers. They're so naughty and so complex. I could pinch them.
An unsecured database containing over 61 million records related to wearable technology and fitness services was left exposed online. On Monday, Website Planet, together with cybersecurity researcher Jeremiah Fowler, said the database belonged to GetHealth. Based in New York, GetHealth describes itself as a unified solution to access health and wellness data from hundreds of wearables, medical devices, and apps. The firm's platform is able to pull health-related data from sources including Fitbit, Misfit Wearables, Microsoft Band, Strava, and Google Fit. On June 30th, 2021, the team discovered a database online that was not password protected. The researchers said that over 61 million records were contained in the data repository, including vast swaths of user information, some of which could be considered sensitive, such as their names, dates of birth, weight, height, gender, and GPS logs, among other datasets. While sampling a set of approximately 20,000 records to verify the data, the team found that the majority of data sources were from Fitbit and Apple's HealthKit. This information was in plain text, while there was an ID that appeared to be encrypted, the researchers said. The geolocation was structured as in America, New York, Europe, Dublin, and revealed that users were located all over the world. The files also show where data is stored and a blueprint of how the network operates from the backend and was configured, the team added. References to GetHealth in the 16.71 gigabyte database indicated the company was the potential owner, and once the data had been validated on the day of discovery, Fowler privately notified the company of his findings. GetHealth responded rapidly, and the system was secured within a matter of hours, which is a great thing. It shouldn't have been exposed in the first place, but the fact that they responded so quickly is a job well done. On the same day, the firm's CTO reached out, informed him that the security issue was now resolved, and thanked the researcher, of course. I wonder if he got a bug bounty. Who knows? Probably not.
Say, pardon me, but could you help out a fellow American who's down on his luck?
Hit the road!
It is unclear how long these records were exposed or who else may have had access to the dataset, Website Planet said. We're not implying any wrongdoing by GetHealth, their customers or partners, nor are we implying that any customer or user data was at risk. We were unable to determine the exact number of affected individuals before the database was restricted. Here we have another case where a database was just left out in the cloud without a password, without being password protected, which is an extreme security issue. So I highly recommend you guys always, on a regular basis, go check all the databases that are running your systems, and ensure that they're password protected, and ensure that you have other kind of restrictions, maybe firewall restrictions in terms of what IP addresses can even reach that database if it is accessible over the internet at all. You can restrict it at the firewall. You can restrict it at the server level firewall as well as your infrastructure firewall level or level firewall. But the data that's in there is extremely sensitive in many cases, so please take care to protect that for your customers and your own company for that matter. With that, I say thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe if you haven't already, and smash the bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.